Number 3, you're going to go ahead and do some cross multiplying here. So you take the first proportion, and if you cross multiply, you're taking your x times 9, so you've got 9x, and then you're taking your y times 1, and you set those equal to each other, so 1y. Do that with the second one also. So if you do that, you're going to get 8y equals 9z. And what you're trying to find here is z over x. So I'm going to solve the top one for x and the bottom one for z. So if I solve this for x, I get x equals y over 9. And I just did that by dividing both sides by 9 there. And then to get the z by itself here, you're going to divide both sides by 9 as well. So I've got z is equal to 8y over 9. And we're trying to get z over x. So z over x, instead of z, we're putting 8y over 9. And instead of x, we're putting y over 9. So what you're going to do now, if you're dividing fractions, instead of dividing the fractions, you can go ahead and multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator, which just means that you're going to flip that denominator. So if you flip the denominator, this turns into 9 over y. And then you can do it a couple different ways. The easier way to do this is just to cancel out stuff that's on the top and stuff that's on the bottom. The longer way is to multiply all your top stuff and write it, and all your bottom stuff and write it down here. So this might be easier to show you, but you can definitely cancel at that earlier step if you want to. So when we get here, the y's cancel each other out, the 9's cancel each other out, so you're just left with 8. So the correct answer there would be E.